Parsley Tea Benefits. Parsley is a widespread herb, so parsley tea is not hard to source or expensive to buy. For many people, this is a refreshing tea option that they did not know existed, and it can be made from live leaves or dried tea as well. Antioxidant packed. Parsley is absolutely brimming with antioxidants. It also has very high levels of vitamins A, C and E. This means that you will support your body's overall health and prevent cancer, kidney and liver disease and general aging by adding parsley tea to your daily diet. Has an estrogenic effect. For those struggling with hormone imbalance or menopause, parsley tea can be a big help. In studies, parsley tea has been shown to help control menstruation and improve the symptoms of menopause in older women or those going through premature menopause. Treats bad breath. If you are taking a medication that causes halitosis, or struggles with the condition daily, parsley tea has been shown to help improve your breath and to reduce bacteria in the mouth. This means that your morning cup of tea could also help with your dental health and hygiene. Is a great anti-inflammatory. For those who struggle with UTIs and other urinary tract conditions, parsley can help ensure that those pesky bacteria and the related inflammation stay away for good. Adding 1 cup of parsley tea to your daily routine is well worth the small amount of time invested in preparing it. Combine your parsley tea with other efficacious herbal teas, and you will be amazed at your energy, enthusiasm for life and your overall good health.